Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to design a crypto dashboard in Stitch. Okay. So first up, when you try to design a crypto dashboard here in Stitch, well, it basically involves using the AI interface builder to generate UI components and code from text prompts or sketches. The process focuses on describing the desired elements and structure, then refining the AI generated output. So first up, go ahead and log into stitch.withgoogle.com. Now, once you're in here, make sure to select web, or it could be a mobile app. Okay. For example, we have here web design. I'm just going to use a Gemini 3.0 right here. And then let's go ahead and enter our prompt. So we have here a sample prompt. For example, design a dark themed crypto dashboard with a top navigation bar and a collapsible sidebar. Just for example. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and add in some more prompts. Okay. But if I were you, I would like to add in some prompts. Okay. One by one. So that Stitch right here, or Stitch AI doesn't mess up what you have in mind, okay? Or if you have sketches, okay? Let's say you have drawn a sketch, like a drawing of the website that you have in mind, okay? You can go and click on the plus sign and click on Upload Image. Or if you want a pre-existing website, okay? If you want to copy it, you can just go ahead and enter the web URL right here. Okay, let's say crypto.com. Now, once that's done, just click on Generate and wait for it to load. All right, as you can see here now, says the design for your crypto dashboard has been generated. The screen features a dark themed layout with a top navigation bar, a collapsed sidebar on the left, and a main content area for displaying cryptocurrency data charts and a portfolio overview. Okay, you can go ahead and log in and log out right here at the bottom left. At the top right, you can go ahead and deposit. Okay, pretty straightforward UI right here. Now, if you want to add in some more, let's say you wanted to just go ahead and use the prompt section, like maybe create a main content area with a portfolio summary card and a large price chart of Bitcoin, or maybe add a trending coins carousel and a recent news feed section. Okay, you can go ahead and add them. Or you can go ahead and add in a quick overview of total holdings and performance, or maybe add in some market data tables like a list of top movers, gainers, losers with real-time prices. So just do keep in mind, while Stitch right here primarily builds the front end, you must need to plan how it will connect to real-time data sources such as APIs. So the generated code right here can be integrated with APIs from providers like CoinGecko or other platforms to fetch live prices and user data. All right, so all you need to do next, if you're happy with this result, is just go ahead and click on More, Export, Download, or just View Code, copy it right here at the top right, and continue working. Elsewhere, it could be VS Code. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.